AI in sports betting, the future of sports betting. Introducing Uncle Paulie's amazing sports betting GPT. AI in sports betting is reshaping the future of sports betting, offering unparalleled insights and precision for the everyday sports bettor. This groundbreaking integration of artificial intelligence into the betting world has not only enhanced decision making, but also revolutionizes how enthusiasts and professionals alike approach their strategies. By leveraging AI, you are stepping into a new era of sports betting where data-driven decisions lead to more informed and potentially profitable outcomes. Keep reading to discover how AI is setting new standards and what this means for the future of sports betting. The Beginner's Edge: Embracing AI in Sports Betting. If you're relatively new to sports betting, the concept of using AI might seem daunting. However, AI tools are designed to simplify complex datasets, offering you insights that were once the domain of experts. By leveraging predictive analytics and machine learning models, AI excels in identifying patterns, calculating probabilities, and assessing odds with a precision that goes beyond human capabilities. These insights include understanding how bookmakers set odds, the potential payouts, and whether a specific bet offers good value, essentials for making educated betting decisions. The Professional's Toolkit: AI in Sports Betting as a Game Changer. For the professional bettor or sports investor, AI represents a paradigm shift. Gone are the days of solely relying on gut instinct and traditional analysis. AI-driven models provide a competitive edge, enabling you to assess risks and opportunities with a level of precision that was previously unimaginable. AI technology can analyze vast amounts of data, including historical head-to-head matchups, player performances, home versus away historical data, recent team performances, and the impact of significant injuries or suspensions. It can even drill down to the specifics, such as how many points per game each team scores on average, adjusting for variables like home or away contexts. This granular analysis is crucial for sports bettors who may not have the experience or time to digest and interpret all these data points effectively. In this context, AI is not just a tool, it's your strategic partner in pursuit of excellence. Navigating the AI landscape in sports betting. Understanding and embracing AI in sports betting requires a shift in perspective. Here are actionable steps to integrate AI into your betting strategy effectively. Start with research. Familiarize yourself with the basics of AI and its applications in sports betting. Knowledge is power, and understanding the tools at your disposal is the first step. Leverage AI tools. Many platforms now offer AI-powered analytics and predictions. Experiment with these tools to find what works best for your betting style. Stay informed. The field of AI is rapidly evolving. Keep abreast of the latest developments and technologies that could affect sports betting strategies. Practice responsible betting. AI can enhance your betting experience, but it's essential to bet responsibly. Use AI as a tool to inform your decisions, not dictate them. The future is now. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on sports betting will only grow. For you, the sports bettor, navigating these changes can be both a challenge and an opportunity. By embracing AI, you're not just following a trend, you're stepping into the future of sports betting, armed with insights and tools that can transform your approach and outcomes. The game is changing, and with AI, you're poised to change with it. Enter Uncle Paulie's amazing sports betting GPT, a revolutionary tool designed to do the heavy lifting for you. Imagine having all the research conducted on your behalf with just a few simple inputs: what sport, which matchup, etc. Uncle Paulie's amazing sports betting GPT uses AI for in-depth analysis, from historical data to future predictions. It ensures you get top-notch betting advice. Uncle Paulie's amazing sports betting GPT embodies the future of AI in sports betting, offering a personalized, data-driven approach that caters to both novices and seasoned bettors alike. It simplifies the process, making sports betting more accessible, enjoyable, and potentially more profitable. You're not just betting on sports. You're betting on the power of AI to give you an edge in the game. Don't just watch the future unfold. Be a part of it with Uncle Paulie's amazing sports betting GPT. Embrace the change and let AI guide you to smarter, more informed betting strategies. To see Uncle Paulie's sports betting GPT at work, see the pinned comment.